Have you seen those ads everywhere for a product called Block Sugar Pro? It claims it can reverse type 2 diabetes naturally and let you eat pizza and cake without worrying about blood sugar. Well, I did too, and I decided to look into it. According to the ad, the real cause of type 2 diabetes isn't your age, diet, or even genetics. Nope, they say it's a hidden bacterium called streptococcus that attacks your pancreas and blocks insulin. Sounds wild, right? But it gets even crazier. The ad says this ancient Asian plant called Gymnema sylvestre, also called gumar, can wipe out that bacteria, restore your insulin production, and basically fix your diabetes. The product, Block Sugar Pro, is supposedly a super concentrated form of this plant, combined with vitamins and herbs. They claim it helped over 21,000 people, including the creator's dad. And while one bottle is normally priced at $800, they're offering it right now at a big discount, because of course they are. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now here's where the red flags start popping up. First off, they say the product was created by a guy named Dr. David Marshall, a diabetes expert trained at a major university. Now, while this doctor actually exists, there is not relation of this doctor to this supplement. Plus, they keep name-dropping places like Harvard and UCLA to make it sound legit, but they never link to any actual studies. If something is really backed by Harvard or a big study, you'd be able to find it online. This one, not so much. Second, the whole idea of a diabetic bacteria causing type 2 diabetes, that's just not true. It's not how diabetes works. Type 2 is usually caused by insulin resistance, not an infection. This made-up explanation sounds scientific, but it's more science fiction than science fact. Then there are the miracle claims, like it'll drop your blood sugar from 260 to 90 in just days, or reverse symptoms like nerve pain, vision issues, and fatigue. They even say you can eat cake and drink beer without consequences and lose 35 pounds in 3 months. That all sounds amazing, but it's just too good to be true. Real treatments take time, medical supervision, and lifestyle changes. Any product that promises instant results with zero effort is usually just after your money. So is Block Sugar Pro a scam? Maybe not technically, but the way it's being marketed definitely raises a lot of red flags. The fake doctor, the fake science, the big promises, and the pressure tactics all make it hard to trust. If you or someone you love has diabetes, it's always best to stick with real doctor-approved treatments and avoid miracle cures that show up in flashy ads.